Welcome to Math Mind Tour. Today we are going on a Math Mind tour of the perimeter of polygons. Let us have an L shape to start with. Are you ready to join? Let's go together. Can you use a quick way to find the perimeter of an L shape? This is an L shape. There are many L shapes around us. For example, this swimming pool is an L shape. This playing field is also an L shape. And this rooftop is an L shape. What is the meaning of perimeter? Perimeter is the total length of the sides of a polygon. To find the perimeter of the L shape, we add up the sides one by one. The total length of the sides of the L shape is 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 equals 18 centimeters. There are so many steps. If you are not satisfied with the complexity, you can try to think smarter for the solution. Can you think of a quicker way to find the perimeter of the L shape? Let us watch a magic trick first. You see, the L shape is converted into a rectangle. Some of the sides of the L shape are shifted parallelly to form a rectangle. Hence, the two shapes have the same perimeter. The length of the rectangle is 5 centimeters and the width is 4 centimeters. How to find the perimeter of this rectangle? There are 3 ways to find the perimeter of rectangle. Which one is better? Let us think it over together. Method 1. We add up the sides of the rectangle one by one. The total length of the sides of the rectangle is 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5 equals 18 centimeters. Method 2. The two widths of a rectangle are the same. 4 plus 4 is the same as 2 times 4. The two lengths of a rectangle are the same. 5 plus 5 is the same as 2 times 5. We find the sum of the two lengths and the two widths of the rectangle. The perimeter of the rectangle is 2 times 4 plus 2 times 5 equals 18 centimeters. Method 3. One length and one width are grouped together to form a pair. Here is another pair. Totally, there are 2 pairs of length and width. The perimeter of the rectangle is 2 times the sum of 4 and 5 equals 18 centimeters. Now we understand all the 3 methods. Which one do you think is better? I think that method 3 is the best. It takes the least number of steps to calculate the perimeter. Do you agree? It is time for thinking. These polygons have the same perimeter. Is it true? Let us think it over together. Can this polygon be converted into a rectangle? Yes. Applying the formula, the perimeter of this polygon is 18 centimeters. Can this polygon be converted into a rectangle? Yes. Applying the formula, the perimeter of this polygon is 18 centimeters. Can this polygon be converted into a rectangle? Yes. Applying the formula, the perimeter of this polygon is 18 centimeters. Can this polygon be converted into a rectangle? Yes. Applying the formula, the perimeter of this polygon is 18 centimeters. All the 4 polygons can be converted into the same rectangle by shifting some sides parallelly. They have the same perimeter. Can the U shape be converted into the same rectangle? Let us try to shift the sides parallelly. After forming the rectangle, 2 sides are left. These 2 sides should also be included in the perimeter of the U shape. The perimeter of the U shape is equal to the sum of the perimeter of the rectangle and the total length of the 2 sides. The perimeter of the rectangle is 2 times the sum of 4 and 5. The total length of the 2 sides is 2 times 3. The perimeter of the U shape is 24 centimeters. The U shape cannot be converted into the same rectangle as the above polygons. What is the difference between the L shape and the U shape? A small rectangle is cut from the corner of a big rectangle to form the L shape. We can call it the cutting corners method. The L shape has the same perimeter as the big rectangle. A small rectangle is cut from the middle of a big rectangle to form the U shape. The U-shape does not have the same perimeter as the big rectangle. These polygons have the same perimeter as the big rectangle. How the polygons are made. Can we use the cutting corners method to make this polygon? Yes. 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 All the 4 polygons can be made by the cutting corners method. They have the same perimeter as the rectangle. Can you use this method to design polygons with the same perimeter as the rectangle? When we learn a new concept, firstly, we understand it. We understand the perimeter of an L shape. Secondly, we connect it with other examples. We connect the L shape with other polygons. Thirdly, we apply it. You are encouraged to design your own polygons. Now you have a very good understanding of today's concept. Excellent. Do you enjoy your MathMind tour? If you are interested, you can download a worksheet from the description of this video. See you again.